Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday it was a bit dramatic action. Now it seems that it was due the crash of the Baltimore's bridge, and it has happened precisely at the moment where we have prepared the report. It's actually it was night time already in the United States, and those who have seen video, it's approximately the same moment. And we do not see any reaction on any other assets, so corresponding action. So it means that probably was just some speculative performance. Although gold market actually has completed the plan that we discussed, it has shown the downward drop from the 618 level, but it was relatively fast. I'm not sure that you was in time to just catch it and jump in and stake in the position. If you did it right, so it's just congratulations. So it was really fast, good performance yesterday. Now I would put the performance of the gold in a general context of other markets. So as we talked today on euro currency, we could get some temporal pause in a downward action and a pause in a rally on the dollar index correspondingly, because we have few intraday bullish patterns on the euro. That's suggesting that retracement on the intraday charts of the euro might be a bit more extended. This is the first moment. Second moment, we're coming to the personal consumption report, and well, once again, this is additional risk factor. I just will not repeat the same stuff that I'm usually talking at the eve of the big events, so you know everything already really great. So that's why I just could make the decision whether you would like to have the position when really big data is coming out. So but it also could make impact on the gold performance if, for example, expenditures will be slightly lower. That could support the performance on the gold and trigger the upward action. If it will be strong, correspondingly we finally could get some bearish patterns on the daily chart. So on a daily, overall bearish context is valid. We're still watching for the same patterns, potential double repo confirmation, although with these spikes of these Baltimore's, well, I suppose this was due to the Baltimore, maybe some other reason was. It is a bit not of the perfect shape right now, but still it's more or less acceptable, so we could consider it. On the fall time frame, grabber still in place, trend stands bearish. So from that standpoint, we still have short-term bearish context. On the fall time frame chart, as you could see, it's a big picture. Theoretically, hand shoulders might be formed, but in this case, we will get this kind of the head, which is it's a bit weird. So I'm not sure that we could use this as the hand shoulders shape currently. So maybe market mechanics will be corresponding to this pattern, but for now the shape is definitely losing the shape, and probably it would be better to get something else when we will decide to take the short position here. And take a look right on the fall time frame chart. At the same placement, we have the same patterns on the gold market. So within a few hours, theoretically, we also could get the grabber here, the same grabbers we have right now as on the dollar index, as on the euro currency, and suggesting jump above the zero. So it means that we could get the kind of the larger ABCD retracement on the fall time frame chart. It will not break yet the daily setup because grabber remains valid, but well, that will be this is not a good background to consider taking the short position right now. So if you have taken short position right there, as you can see on the fall time frame chart, we have agreed to consider either on OP and next this market will jump above the 22 area, the XOP. Around OP we had no chances to step in just because it was broken immediately. This was not time even to consider price performance. And market jumped directly to the XOP. As you can see, return back down was also very fast. So I don't know whether you were in time to take the position here or not. But anyway, currently it might be that we could get larger ABCD pattern with the grabbers on the back, and from that standpoint it is not very comfortable to consider new shorts. So it makes sense to wait and see what will happen. With these 2 moments existence of these grabbers and coming PCE report, well, together create the background that personally for me I suggest that it would be better to wait and see what will happen, and do not try to take this sell position, short position right now. So speaking about the scalp long position, I could say the same as I said on the euro currency. This is really very temptational idea. It's just because market stands very close to invalidation point of the grabber. Just you could place stops just below these lows. If grabbers will fail, you do not have any background for taking the position. If they will succeed, you could get great results because it might be really fast action. But you have to know that you will have to probably keep the position for the report of the consumption expenditures. So here's the decision that you could make. So just as a bottom line, overall bearish context still valid. It is not broken, but the performance of the gold makes it a bit weaker. So we see some delay in the downward action. Markets calling to the sideways, and chances that market could form some different pattern exist, even though that it could even change the overall context totally. That's why for taking the short position, we suggest it would be better to wait, because on the intraday charts we also have some bullish patterns, as you could see, that also are not welcome for taking the short position right now. And common data statistics that we will get, it's also some risk factor. All these factors together makes overall bearish context not very attractive in the moment, but later we will see what will happen. For the bulls, I just said that if you would like to, you could try, because risk very small. Who knows, maybe it will be a really great position to get. So that's what we have. Let's see.